If you are looking for a food that is spicy, if you are looking for a snack that is healthy, if you are looking for a snack that is easy to make, if you are looking for something that will kill your hunger and also keep the hunger away for several hours, then this recipe of today will be the one that is right for you. It is healthy, nutritious, very easy to make and very delicious indeed. There is a catch though, I will come to that in a moment. Now here is the best part. This doesn't require any gadgets like I said. So we have taken the soaked peanuts, and that's what I said, there is a catch because the recipe itself is very easy, but then you need to have the peanuts soaked the previous night. It's pretty simple. I have taken all these peanuts after they have been soaked. Today morning when I took them out, these have been doubled. After cleaning them few times, I had spread them on the newspaper and allowed it to dry fully. And now I am going to take lemon, I am going to chop some cilantro or coriander leaves as we call it. But before that, I want to cut one green chili. This is a reasonably large one. I like it spicy. Them into small pieces. And also we will chop this coriander. I will remove some of the stalk which is not needed. You don't have to remove all the stalk because a lot of flavor actually comes from the stalk more than the leaf itself. So you would want to retain at least some amount of stalk. The more you chop, the more flavorful it will be. So I tend to cut them into small pieces. I am not using coriander here for garnishing sake. Coriander has a lot of good nutrients. So we want to maximize on the amount of coriander we use. Then a pinch of salt, that should be adequate. Too much of sodium is not good for health, so I will minimize always on the usage of salt, and also I am using sea salt in this case. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button. I am adding about a teaspoon of white chia seeds. I am adding chia seeds for the sake of crunchiness. There is a lot of fiber in chia seeds. It has been proven to be a very nutritious, healthy food. What is good about this? Peanuts provide a hell lot of energy. So if you take something in the morning, it will last a long time before you will need energy again. Proteins in peanuts are so high that people eat these regularly for building their muscle, all those gym goers who are weightlifters and trying to build their muscle. Chia seeds are very high in fiber and therefore help in digestion, a low calorie food. Also, you can help lose weight with all of this, including the peanuts, which are rich energies, but since they are healthier energies and make you feel fuller, you will actually eat less carbs and therefore you will lose weight overall. This is an all in all nutritious, very tasty evening snack. Let me taste it. It's hot, not very hot. I think I could have added a little more chili as well. There's a small piece which I was scared to add and then left it off. I'm going to add this also now. Very delicious, honestly. I think you should make it, share it with the family. Let me know what you feel about this. When to consume this? This snack is suggested for consumption either in the morning as a breakfast or as an evening snack. Consuming this late night is not recommended due to high energy content and fiber that is there in chia seeds. All of this will take a long time for digestion, so I wouldn't recommend this for taking late night. How long you can store this? I think you can easily store this in the refrigerator for 2-3 days, but I would recommend consuming it immediately. That's when most nutrition is there, particularly the vitamin C that we are going to get from lemon, and also any item will taste best when it is consumed immediately. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.